it's Tell Your Mama. I'm back. I was watching YouTube the other day and I saw this girl and she made a garden apron out of a pair of jeans. Look at this. So today, we're gonna do the same thing. So first, we need jeans. So where should we go? The thrift store to get a bargain. Here I go. I think I want my boots. I'm back from the thrift store and look what I got. I got all these jeans. Happy cutting, Mama. Okay, when you go shopping, you can get a skirt, you can get shorts, you can get pants, whatever you want. You're trying to measure them around or try them on because this is going to be your waistband. And if you get too small, it's not going to work. You need something durable and make sure it has pockets. All you need is a marker, a measuring tape, a scissor, and a ruler. 4 things. And then you're in business. Now we're going to go 2.5 inches from the pocket. I made a line across the back. I'm cutting the front of the skirt off. We're cutting along the edge of the seam. We're going to go all the way up to the waistband. Don't go into the waistband. Now we're going to cut right under the waistband, all the way up to here, and stop. The last step is to cut the line that we made at the beginning. Ta-da-da! Was that quick? I'm so excited, I want to make another one. When I started making these videos, I was 86 years old. Last month I celebrated my 87th birthday. We had a lot of fun. We had a little party. I made a sponge cake for my birthday, like the one I made the video last month. You remember the strawberry shortcake I made? Well, the same recipe, only I made a big cake. And I put half chocolate with vanilla pudding in the bottom and vanilla pudding with whipped cream on the other side and all whipped cream on the top. It was delicious. And I made a big tray of eggplants. Oh, they were so good. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. Let's get back to my aprons now. We're going to do this pair of pants a little different than what we did before, because this pair of pants has a pocket on the side, and we're going to try to save this little pocket. The legs are off. Now it's time to cut off the front. To the waistband and then stop. Now I'm going to cut this way. Now we're going to cut the seam along the crotch. See, this is the apron. We salvaged the pockets. And we have 3 pockets. I'm done. I made 8 aprons and I didn't even need a sewing machine. That was the beauty of it. After a while, you just like you do with the eyes closed. Zip, 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 you're done. This is a good way to repurpose your old jeans. Let's check it out and see how they look. For gardening?
Let's garden.
Ready? Who wants to garden? Thanks for watching, Italian Mama.
And I hope you enjoyed this video and get busy and make an apron. Get in your closet and find old jeans, old skirts, whatever you have. And let me know how you make out. Stay tuned for monthly video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you. Bye! No, no, no. I found a nickel! I found a dime! Come on, kids, there's gold here! Happy spring! Enjoy! Don't forget, make an apron. Make 1 or 2 for your grandchildren. It is so easy. In fact, I'm going to make another one. Bye!